My fellow Americans, as you know, we've lost a great man recently. On February 13th, we lost a titan, a member of the judicial system who had such a high ranking.
And his name is
Antonin Scalia.
Hi, I'm Jeb Bush. Yes, it's a great tragedy that we lost Justice Scalia. And President Obama can appoint anybody he wants to replace him. But as things are looking right now, the Senate could just override anybody President Obama picks. That is why I believe that as it is an important issue to pick a new justice to fill Scalia's shoes, it isn't that prominent compared to the other issues going on in our country today, such as ISIS, or illegal immigration, or even hippies.